Hey up guys, you joined me today for another video, and we are going to be doing a bit more on Honda. It's not going to be a long video, it's just going to be nice and short, just to tell you, yes, I'm still getting on with it. So yeah, here we go. I have been busy. We've been very busy actually recently. I did a welding course and it went really well. I think it was really good to get the basics and stuff of knowing how to do welding and that, so I really enjoyed doing that. And at the end of it we had to do a little project, and I thought, well, we've got the press here which can withhold like 3mm steel, and I thought, right, okay, well, this is a good opportunity to get sills made, because the thing, I was looking on eBay and places and Machine Mart and all that sort of thing for a metal folding machine. A lot of them were bench mounted and stuff like that, and the capacity of them was like what, 1 mil, 1.2 mil, and the size of them wasn't long enough either. This is 1200, you see, and we're only about 500. So yeah, so this is what I did yesterday actually. So I got some sheet steel, and I basically got the cutouts that I've had previously, and did a little cardboard template and cut them out and got it onto steel, and then cut that out, and then last night I got them shaped up, and they've come out really well. I'm very chuffed with how they've come out, like you know, they're all the correct profile to the sill and stuff, so you know, it's really good. So this piece here is the extension piece for the back of the Honda, where the wheel arch meets. So here, this is where your closing panel will meet with the sill. So these have all been painted in zinc primer as well today. That's what I was cracking on with earlier, so all these are nice and zinced up. Same again for this side. That's the extension piece for the other side. So yeah, we'll probably require a bit of fettling to get right when they're on the car, just because, you know, it is what it is, but this one came out a lot better than that one. I did kind of cock up the crease line there a bit, but it's not too bad. But yeah, there we go. And then here we've got the main middle bit. So yeah, simple shape really. Again, nice and straight, nice and good. So yeah, I mean, there you go, there's a profile. So yeah, as I say, this bit's slightly different. It's a bit more at an angle, however the back bit should be a bit more square. So ideally this bit here needs to be pulled out a bit more, but on that bit there it's more angled in, so it kind of comes in at an angle and then goes out towards the back, which isn't an issue. We can use that, we can get it in the vise and just pull it out a bit. But this one here is the one that I bought. As you can see, this doesn't really resemble much of what this does here. I'm not sure if it's, yeah, you can see what I'm trying to see here. I mean, you can probably amend it and cut it to thing, but the issue with why I made these is because I need more metal on this side, and that only really, well, that cuts off there. I need this back bit as well, so I didn't really want to make it out of two pieces. I wanted it all in one. So I mean, I suppose it could be to use for something. And also the thickness of it's wrong as well. This is like 1.2, 1 mil, 1.2, whereas the actual sills on the cars are a lot thicker. They're about 1.6. So, you know, it's for strength, it's for structure, it's, you know, structural integrity. Make sure it's right. So there we go. So this, yeah, it's all right for plating and stuff, but if you wanted to replace the whole lot, ideally it's good to get the actual thickness right and whatnot. Next bit here is the boot floor. I got a new boot floor because the Honda, you've probably seen in the previous video, it's got a big hole here. So I got this out of a 200, got it sandblasted, etch primed and all that sort of thing. So that's all nice and good. So that'll probably be cut to size, whatever I need, and then it'll be welded in. Next bit here is the upper sill. So those are the lower sills, this is the upper sill. This has been also cut out, etch primed, sandblasted and all that stuff. Here is the closing panel. This is a new old stock closing panel. So yeah, that's really handy. So obviously when that's all together, that will look really nice, and hopefully it should be, you know, like it's not been done, which is what I'm trying to go for. So if I just show you this, to be fair, I want to be careful because I don't want to scratch any of this off. It's still quite, you know, it's dry and everything to touch, but I don't want to scrape it off with other pieces of metal, so I won't offer it up to that. I'll let that harden and I'll cure and stuff. But yeah, that's it really. Nothing else much to say other than all the panels are pretty much made. Sills, bits of other sill and boot floor. I do have a whole side panel for the upper sill, the whole car side. That's in the shed. I'm not getting that out, but you'll probably see it in future videos when it's been cut out. But yeah, as I say, it'll look right when it's in the car, because obviously, as you can see, I need it up to about where that detail line is, maybe a bit higher. So we'll see how it goes when we get to cutting it out anyway. Still need to do the front section, which isn't an issue, it's nice and easy. I can probably do that here. But yeah, everything else I've really got it. There's a little panel actually that connects here. It's like a little L shape, so it goes around like that and then comes up, and then it gets connected to the black panel there, the inner wheel arch. So we can do that on the vise as well. That shouldn't be too hard, it's nice and easy. 1mm steel. So there we go, that is it. Thank you ever so much for watching. As I say, we're not forgetting about the Honda. Things are starting to come together nice, so there we go. Cheers for watching. I'll see you in another video.